Hi guys, today I wanted to come on here and do a review and show you guys how I have my JuJuBe, Be Sporty, and Sakura Swirl packed. And this is what it looks like, super pretty and adorable. With the Be Sporty, you have two outside pockets here, a front mommy pocket, and I love these outside pockets very much. If you guys can see here how the pocket kind of comes out, like that space from here out, and also with the front mommy pocket, it also, comes out a little bit. Because the pockets come out so much like that, it's roomier, and I feel like it doesn't take up space on the inside of the bag, you know what I mean? Sometimes when you put the bottles in the side pockets, then the inside pocket becomes too tight. But because these come out just a little bit, I feel like it doesn't affect the inside pockets either. So I really love this bag for that. With the front mommy pocket, you have this little zipper here that I absolutely love for my phone. I think it fits really well in there, and it's easier access to it than the tech pocket that I'll show you guys in a little bit. But you could also put wet ones in there and anything smaller in there, like your earbuds or anything else like that. In the front mommy pocket, it looks small, but it can hold a good amount. And so in there I have my full-size wallet that fits really nice. And you guys can see with the mommy pocket, there is a back zippered pocket and a mesh pocket in the front. And in the mesh pocket, I actually have my grocery list, and I also keep my keys in there. And that back zippered pocket, I love to put my mommy things in there. So I have two lipsticks in there right now. And also a little pouch that I made from a changing pad. And in here has a bunch of little hair ties, my mirror, and blotting sheet. So that's what I have in my mommy pocket. And these bottle pockets are zippered. And to be honest with you, I don't like the zippered bottle pockets. I don't like it being closed off. I wish they were open. And on top of that, these zippers, to be honest with you, are not the smoothest. It's not smooth. Sometimes it skips and sometimes it gets stuck, for me anyway. So kind of annoying there, but I still love the bag overall. That is not a deal breaker. And on the side here, it fits a funtainer just fine. And on the other side bottle pocket, I have a bigger funtainer. This is a 16 ounce and it fits in there really well too. Now onto the back of the bag. The backpack straps are attached here at the top D-rings, and at the bottom here they are completely removable, so you could take them off, tuck them away in this back pocket here if you wanted to, but I tend to wear mine mostly backpack style. And on the back here is the slip pocket that has the change pad in there. I have nothing in there right now besides the change pad. I am using this one, and I think it's such a pretty change pad, so cute, so girly. And also back there in the Be Sporty is the tech pocket. It's felt lined. I don't keep anything in there right now. You guys saw I kept my phone in that front pocket. I think it's just easier place for me to grab it than have it, behind me and unable to grab it. And the Be Sporty does have D-rings at the side here. This is what they look like, and you can attach a messenger strap that does come with the bag, so you could carry this over the shoulder, crossbody if you wanted to. And this is what the strap looks like. It's a shoulder pad here, and I think it's so pretty with the bag. I don't use the messenger style. I use it mostly as a backpack. Now let's get onto the inside of the bag. The Sporty has a flap here with a button closure right there, and it zips across at the top. So you can undo it and get onto the inside of the bag. So for me, I actually just keep the flaps down like this, and they stay down really nicely on their own, and they're not in the way. And to me, it's just easier that way because, with the flap and the zipper, it's a little bit too much to get into. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I have the inside packed. Just starting in the center first, and in the center right here, I have my large set piece with snacks in there. And then also thrown into the center here, I have two fans, since it's super duper hot and humid here, and also a battery operated handheld one for my daughter as well. And that's all I have in the center here. And hopefully you guys can see in the back of the bag you have one large mesh pocket, and in the front of the bag there you have two mesh slip pockets. And I'll start with the back side here, and in there I keep all of my diapering things. So I have a diaper and a wipes container, and I also have little baggies. And then beside the diapers there, you see I have a spare change of clothes. So what I ended up deciding to do is pulled out the entire lining so you guys could see it better, because the Be Sporty is really narrow. So this is what the back slip pocket looked like that had my diapering needs and my spare change of clothes. That was that pocket. And above that you have a zippered pocket here. And in there I have my little med kit. This was also made from that changing pad. Sunscreen, Tylenol, Neosporin, and Band-Aids are in there. So that's the entire back side of the backpack. And on the front side of the bag, I said there were 2 mesh pockets, and this is what they look like here. Hopefully you guys get a better view since it's really hard to see with the Sporty being so narrow. And in one of the slip pockets here, I have utensils for when we go out to eat and some things for them to do. So I have a little pouch here with crayons and 2 little notepads. And what I do keep in there also are stickers, but my daughter just went through all of them. So I will be replacing the stickers in this one. And the last slip pocket here, I keep the Honest Company hand sanitizer spray, another little bottle of hand sanitizer there, some tissues, and the last thing right there is a small white pouch there. And that's what that looks like. So that was everything that I had inside of the bag. It is really narrow, but I still do really like this bag. I do like the internal organization that it has. I think it's great. The backpack straps are actually really comfortable to wear, in my opinion. First time that I got this bag, I have 2 Be Sporties, and the first time that I wore it, I did feel the hardware on my shoulders a little bit, and I was worried that it would dig and get uncomfortable. But after wearing it a little bit over time, I find that these straps are actually pretty comfortable. I don't feel like I need to make padded covers for these or get a BFF strap. I think they are really comfortable and they don't dig at all, surprisingly. So it's worked really well for me, and I absolutely love how lightweight this backpack is. And especially with 2 Funtainer cups in there, it's still really light. I love this backpack so much more than I thought it would. First impressions wise, I just was not having it, but I'm glad I gave it some time, and this has become probably my favorite backpack by JuJuBe now. And it does have this really nice top grab handle here that feels really nice, really sturdy. So overall, this backpack is fantastic. I love it so much. And if you guys had any questions about it, you could always leave them down below for me. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. And subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.